Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be playing some Flood Escape and I'm going to be playing hard and medium. I have never been in hard for a long time, only once or twice, so this is going to be pretty hard. But we're going to try for the third, second, or first time. But I already failed hard, so now I'm a medium. Before this video, I actually tried to beat hard, and it was pretty hard. So I gotta wait for the hard to open, but I'm just gonna be playing medium right now, and let's see if I can beat it. Where do I have to go? Okay, she has to push that button. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, I'm gonna push that button. It's gonna open the path. Oh, I thought that opened the button. Oh, I had to jump over there, yes, because no one else is doing that. Oh, no, someone already pushed it. But fine. It's okay. I'll wait. Okay. Second round. Ooh, I don't like this one as much. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm going good. Okay, I have to get that button first. I really want to, and yes, I made it. Yes. Okay. Well, I think I'm gonna have to stop talking soon, but I'm going really well so far. Okay. Ooh. Okay. This is so skinny. Like, this is really skinny. Oh my god. How am I gonna do this? Oh. Yes. 2 out of 6 players. 6 players died. Okay. Well, I'm gonna stop talking and enjoy the rest of the video.